Hey there, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to zero the length encoder on a V60F V1. The only tool you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. The steps in this video will help you if your Elliott model is a V60F V1. But before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also ought to make sure you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. The overall condition of the equipment, maintenance, and inspection procedures are just as important as safe operating procedures and a positive attitude towards safety. All these procedures properly applied will significantly reduce the likelihood of an accident or equipment failure. Finally, feel free to pause the video at any time to make sure you're doing each step safely and correctly. All right, first use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws on the lower control station lid. Then swing open the control station lid and locate the master module. Next, you're going to press the plus sign button on the master module twice. The screen should now have the question Unlock Setup, and the message Press Select should be flashing. Go ahead and press select and then enter the password 592 by using the plus sign to go up in value and the minus sign to go down in value. Be sure to press select after each number. All right, after pressing select upon entering the number 2, the screen should now read setup, unlock, press, minus, or plus. Press plus twice so the screen asks 0 LEN encoder, and the message press select should be flashing. Press select now. From there, you're going to confirm the boom is fully retracted and in the boom rest, then press save. Now the screen will read length zeroed, press, minus, or plus, and then you can press exit to finish. All right, now that you've replaced the length encoder on your V60F V1, you ought to be good to go. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829, and make sure you check out our other technical support videos at elliotequip.com.